My name is Nick Solares. I'm an exhaust and header fabricator here at AFE Power. And today we did a downpipe install on the Supra MK5. The Supra is a good platform to modify because you can easily add power to the car by just simply bolting up a downpipe, bolting up an exhaust, an intake. It's a platform that has been gone for 15 years, and now that it's came back, it's going to be a car that everybody's going to want. So process of installing a downpipe, simply removing the exhaust. Exhaust removes very easy, in about 5 to 10 minutes. After you remove the exhaust, you move on to the OE downpipe. It's just a bracket, 202 sensors, and a V-band clamp. And as soon as you remove that downpipe is out. It's a very simple installation and uninstallation that'll take you no longer than a couple of hours. Our AFE downpipe includes a CNC flange. We're coming from a 4-inch diameter tubing into a high-flow catalytic converter. We're including a auxiliary L2 bung. We have a CNC bent bracket and a flex coming down from a 3.5-inch diameter 304 stainless steel tubing to the factory size of the exhaust. So our AFE Cat downpipe is a direct bolt-on installation. What you're going to do is you're going to take the factory gasket and put it onto our CNC machine flange. You're going to go ahead and plug up the auxiliary L2 sensor if you're not going to be using it. Bolt up the brackets. We have it reduced down to fit the OEM exhaust, and tighten everything down and you're good to go. AFE is known for building BMW parts. It all comes from the way we make them. All that sound is going to come from the diameter tubing that we're using, our high-flow cats. You're going to be expecting to hear a deep rumble sound, and it's only unique to AFE exhaust. You're not going to hear this from any other manufacturer but us. And you can find more information on our website at afepower.com. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and also like and subscribe to the Supra MK5 YouTube channel.